apart from appearance is functionality into your website, how your website will function. If you want to add any feature in your website, you can add it through plugins. You can add it through plugins, this section. Okay, let me show you few of the plugins. Go into plugins and then click on installed plugins. And where to download these plugins from, go into wordpress.org/plugins. Okay, over here is the huge number of plugins. Like I want, let's think of any functionality you're looking for your website. Let's say a slider. What is a slider? Slider is a banner, a moving banner. Is a slider. If you want to add that functionality in your website, how you can add it? You just type slider over here. Okay, that functionality is not by default in your website. Okay, so what you search is slider. Whenever you are downloading plugin, just keep that one thing in mind, that it has good rating, as well as the active number of installs should be greater than 10,000, and it should be updated recently, and it should not be premium. Let's say this has 50 odd thousand, so let's download this one. Let's open this one and download it. Okay, and how it works, you can see the video as well of it. You can check out the video as well. I am not sure how it works, so I will be watching that video as well. Because there are thousands, there are more than 40,000 plugins are there. Sorry. So it will be installing in next 9 minutes, it says. 19, sorry. Okay, till the time we can check it out how it works. Okay, now they are showing how to add that. You can watch out that video later. First, let me show you the demo as well. I hope this plugin get downloaded before the class. I don't know what happened to it, why the downloading from this particular site has got slowed, because the rest of the things are working perfectly. Okay. There is some problem with this particular link, that's why it is. Let me cancel it. Let me try some other one. Okay, I hope we will take the plugins in the next class. Not a problem. Till this point, you're clear with everything. Let me try some other. The page got opened. Let's try to install any other one. Like this have more than 1 lakh installs as well. Let's try this one as well. Or should I show you the video? That is, I hope, will be more than enough. I hope there is some problem with the connectivity. Let me show you the demonstration. It will be, by just watching out the demonstration itself, you can understand the thing. Okay. Let me improve it. Let me play it again. We have a better quality of video.
Hello guys, let me introduce to you the 5 options of your text slider.
Installation is very similar to the theme only. Okay, just see how slider works. If you click on your slider, I'm just showing you the demonstration of it.
And here there are some images. Let me tell you how to change, remove, or add an image. To remove the image, click Remove Image Point. To add a new one, click Add Image Slider. And choose the pictures from your media library or a photo from your computer. Then click Insert Post and it will appear. Now, how to edit the image and how to change it. Just click Edit Image, choose one, click Insert Post,
Okay, just they tell you how it works, how to add images and all. And after that, how to add to the pages where we want to add. Okay, how to add to the various pages. Let me show it to you that as well.